So I've been listening to you guys. And what's Scruff been listening to? Well, he's been listening to what you want to see on the channel. I did ask you what you want, and it was predominantly grow a small account. And I was sitting trying to think how I could help you do this. Now, I've just done an exercise with one of my kids where I walked the path of setting up a prop fund from the start, get them through it, and then let them get on with it. And you kind of see that anyway. I thought, I wonder how I could do that for you. But then there was a little bit of a poll about how much money you would have to start with. And there was a lot of people who have less than £100. You know, they've literally got no money left at the end of the month. And why? Well, cost of living's gone up. I mean, even like Joanne sort of twists on about how much coffee I drink. And that's because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. But it's over £10 a jar now. £10 for a jar of coffee. And I go through them at a rate of knots, as you can kind of see. I've got kind of cups all over the place. And if you want a cup, there is a link down below. But what's this got to do with trading? What's the cost of living got to do with trading? Well, it actually has a lot. Because it means you have to plan yourself fully. Now, if you can't plan in trading, you finish before you start. Because contrary to belief, well, I was going to say it's not easy. It actually is easy. You can read the charts very simply. I do it every day. Very rarely get it wrong. Why? Well, I do a top-down analysis. I know what levels to use. I know what the ignitions are. But the most important thing is I find the direction. Because if I get that direction correct, it'll forgive whatever entry I put in. And then I just have to target appropriately, whether that's to the loss or to the win. It's all about planning and doing the homework step by step. And that's why it can tie in quite a lot to yourself and the cost of living. If you're in that bing and bong, it's because my emails and friggin' phone don't bloody stop, which is a wonderful thing. Keep them coming, guys. If you ask me, I will talk to you. I don't ignore anybody. You know, doesn't matter. It's not like some of these that will only talk to you if they're getting something from you. No, I'll talk to you. I can't always give you the right answer. And if you want to see the way I trade, I'm going to kind of show you right now. Or show you a way you can get hold of it anyway. So what am I going to do? Well, I was sitting thinking about this. I thought, well, first of all, you need a broker, don't you? So let's have a look at a broker. So I would go to BlackBull. Why would I go to BlackBull? Well, I know them, trust them, and I personally use them. Now, they also have the ability that you can trade micro, but they've also got large leverage. Now, when you've only got little money, you need the leverage. So let's just say, well, we're going to do it this way. £50, right? I think most people can pull £50 together, okay? And I'll put £50 in here. Now, there is other parts in BlackBull. If you use the link below, you will come to their landing page, which is here, which, funny enough, is me. That's right. I work with them, and I've done a deal where if you put money into the BlackBull Markets, you will get the Way the Scruff trading access that you find on my website. Now, if you bear with me, I'll show you that website. Click that over for you. There you go. Comes onto my website, scruffytrader.com. You've got the Way the Scruff Modules, which are here. You just click onto that, and it'll flick over, and then there you go. There's the Way the Scruff Modules. You will get them free, okay? And if you want to know what it's all about, drop into the frequently asked questions. So what am I going to do with 50 quid? What can I do with 50 quid? Well, in the interim, not a lot, because it takes money to make money. Always remember that. But let's say we're using that 50 quid as a vehicle over the course of, say, a month, 2 months, to buy a prop fund. Now, if you're buying a prop fund, what you're doing now for a very low cost is buy risk and capital, which will give your ROI, return on investment, a huge boost. Let me explain. So what we will be looking at here is take your 50 quid, okay, and you're looking to use that 50 quid to just chip away and turn it into something. So what's the cheapest fund you can buy? Well, let's have a little look, shall we? What have we got? Well, you've got a 1-step, a 2-step, and a 3-step. So can we afford a 1-step? So that's just one evaluation to get through. Well, that means we've got to find, on the cheapest version, 260. Might be a step too far. Okay. What about a 2-step? Could we turn 50 quid into a 2-step? Well, let's have a look. So the cheapest one's a 2.5 grand fund. And the classic is 22, but they've brought out a new version, which is $19. So what you could do is you can turn your 50 quid and make $19. Okay. So we know the cheapest up to now is $19. What about a 3-step? Is that any cheaper? Well, we come down, you've got a 20k and it's 22. So really, that is the one, the 2-step. And what would you do with it? Well, for me, I would now look to round that off. So I know I need to make 20 quid out of the 50. Well, if I do £1 a day, just £1, come the end of the month, I would have earned enough to buy the prop fund. Now, not only would I have earned enough to do the prop fund, I would have my initial stake money back. So therefore, what I can do is run the both of them together and continue just to do £1 a day off the 50 quid, which isn't difficult. It's not. Just £1. Now, you could increase it, and you can work things out another way. And another way of doing things is working on a percentage of, say, 2% a day. Now, on a small account, 2% is a piece of piss. It is dead easy to do 2% a day. The higher you go up, then it becomes a little bit harder because your emotions start kicking in, and that becomes a different video altogether, and we'll get onto that journey. So that's what I roughly plan on doing. Put 50 quid into BlackBull, and then when you see the videos of me trading, instead of you seeing my wage account, what you normally see, I'll trade that. Because trust me, when it comes to trading, I really need to plan that. And I've got to absolutely nail it. Because if I don't, I've got nowhere to go. That 50 quid will sharp evaporate. So the question I have for you is this. Are you going to follow me along with the journey? But more importantly, would you stick to it? Most people can't. They will not look to do £1 a day. They'll try and turn 50 into 500 in one day, and it'll blow up. Now, your pound can come through various different mediums. You can take 10p trades. You can take 5 20p trades. Just break it down into a day. And then just do it repeatable over and over. See how many can do it. Cherish your thoughts. Drop it down in the comments. I answer every single one. If you want to sort of take part of this, there is the link that'll take you through to BlackBull. You don't have to sort of go the full hog, but use the link. You'll get the other benefits that comes with it. And there's also, if you just want to go straight into the prop, there is a discount link there for you and it's all explained on the website. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all on the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.